Hi, Simon here from AMZ Guardian. Today we will be going over one of our modules for Amazon PPC. This module is a part of a wider series on how to create and manage Amazon ads as part of our marketing agency's internal standard operating procedures. And you might be wondering why I'm giving away this information for free. And the reason why I'm giving away this information is because I hope that you use it and that you see that it works and grow your business to 7 figures or more. And in doing so, I hope to earn your trust enough so that you would consider working with us. We also give away this information because we typically only work with companies that make over $1 million in revenue per year, simply because these are the type of companies that I feel we can help the most. And I hope that by using this content, you grow your Amazon business to 7 figures. And once you are too busy to do your own PPC, you trust us enough to allow us to help you grow your business for you. So I hope you enjoy this content, and let's jump into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of sponsored product auto campaigns using the advertising console. Before we get started, make sure you have access to the advertising console and Google Sheets for this process. First things first, let's ensure we have a solid foundation. If we're planning on using negative exact in our auto campaigns, we need existing exact campaigns that have been running for a while. Now let's jump into the procedures. Step 1, head over to the advertising console and click on bulk operations at the top left. This will allow us to download a bulk file containing all the necessary data. Make sure to uncheck any campaign items with 0 impressions to capture all existing campaigns. Once the file is ready, download it to your local drive. Now, let's filter out the relevant data from the downloaded spreadsheet. We're looking for keywords targeted in exact campaigns for our specific SKU. Once filtered, copy and paste this data onto a separate sheet. These will serve as our negative exact keywords for the auto campaign. Next up, we need to prepare the bulk file for creating the auto campaign. You can find templates for this in the Campaign Manager bulk operations section. Ensure you create separate campaigns for each match type: close, loose, substitutes, and complements. Now let's update the necessary columns within the file. Remember to plan out your campaign naming conventions wisely. Include important details like product name, ASIN, and the type of auto campaign for easy reference. For the negative exact keywords, simply tag them as negative exact in the match type column. And remember, always double check that you're in the correct client account and marketplace before uploading anything. To upload the bulk file, head back to the advertising console, navigate to bulk operations, and select your file. If uploaded successfully, you'll see a confirmation message indicating the creation of your auto campaigns. Now let's talk about low auto campaigns. These are similar to regular auto campaigns, but with super low bids. And just like before, ensure your naming convention includes low at the beginning for easy identification. And there you have it, folks. That's our SOP for creating sponsored product auto campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy advertising.